Hey, how's it going? So I have a third box of 2020 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. I'm going to rip into this right now. Again, it's my third box, third try. Don't know if these were from the same case before, but I did get it from the card shop, so might be, but it looked like it was from a new 9-boxer. We will see. And as you know, that kind of matters sometimes if there's been a triple auto relic or 1/1 pulled. However, a lot of the cases I've seen this year been pretty loaded. At least I haven't been watching a whole lot, but the ones I have seen have had at least two, like a 1/1 and a triple auto relic. Usually there's one per 9-box case. At least that's how it was in the past. So yeah, let's see what I get here. First one feels very airy. Very, very airy. Oh, that's interesting. Flipped around here. I remember seeing them like this. Maybe I just don't remember. But it was usually the backs first. All right. We got Bryce Harper, 184, 275. Oh, where's my things here? I gotta put these down. Jose Altuve, purple, to 299. Looks cool on camera, nice and shiny. Eloy Jimenez, Chipper Jones, Cody B, and I'm gonna flip it around. A relic of David Dahl. Looks nice. 36, 29 of 36. Definitely digging the look of these this year. Next one behind that should be an auto. Wait, I got 3 cards. There's 3 cards. Oh no, I'm sorry. I got Cody B on the back still. Never mind. All right, let's see what this one is. Some relics of somebody. Kevin Newman. Numbered to 99, 63 of 99. All right. All right. Like these cards here, these triple relic autos. Cool. There's the Cody Bellinger. All right. Let's see what's in this pack here. Come on, let's get something nice. Still somewhat airy. Ooh, look at that. That's not cool. Looks like it busted through. Yeah, the packaging's kind of funky there. Looks like it ripped. Let's check this out here. Yeah, see this pack? They're flipped on the back, and that back card is damaged. Nolan Ryan. Kind of see it up there. That's a bummer. And it is a parallel. Ooh, nice Eloy. 299. Nolan Ryan to 99. That's a bummer. That got damaged. Gold. Arenado. Chris Bryant. Freddie Freeman. I'm going to flip it. Ooh, auto of Michael Chavis. Chavis. Number 50. 30 of 50. It's got a cool autograph. Nice and shiny. Alright, let's see what the relic is. Hopefully it's a Legends. Ooh, no. Aaron Nola, 18 of 18. I don't know what that means. Looks like there's some... Ah. Oh, this card got damaged. Bummer. Wonder if that had anything to do with the packaging here. And that right there is just a thread. But that K is certainly damaged. Topps, I might be reaching out to you to fix these cards that came damaged. There's Freddie Freeman. So obviously I got proof on my video here, and you're allowed to send back damaged hits if they arrive that way with purchase necessary. Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer. All right, well, thanks for watching this third box break of 2020 Topps Triple Threads Baseball. Catch you later. Peace.